when it starts to get cold, I I'm I I'm just kind of different. Like when it gets warm and hot, I like to drink hot coffee. When it starts to get cold, I like to drink cold coffee. I don't know. That's just the way I am. So I bought this HHQ. It is a cold brew coffee maker. And in the middle of it, you can see it at the top of the thing. There's like a mesh. It's just a glass and a mesh that you drop in the bottom of it, and you pour your coffee inside the mesh, and you let it you just let it sit. What does it say? I had the instructions in front of me. You can let it sit for, I think it's 12 hours and whatnot, and you can either stick it in your refrigerator, which I would basically say to do this, or you could leave it at room temperature, and it's just slowly but surely the coffee begins to seep in the water, and it is supposed to be less acidic as opposed to putting it in a hot element machine, or just basically heating it up, period. So this was only this was cheap. This is like $15 on Amazon. I just got it, and it says coffee, lemonade, iced tea, fat reduction drink, milk, fruit tea. So I would have to. I don't know about all this other stuff they're saying. I mean, I guess you can put a bunch of lemon inside the mesh and let it just sink in. Same thing for overnight, 10, 12 hours, and then, you know. So um, I like it. I like it. It is, it's doing its thing. I love coffee. I love, it is a pour spout handle lid at the top, the black. Heavy duty food grade soda lime glass jar. 160 micron woven food grade 304 stainless cone. That's this cone where you pour the coffee inside. And then it has a cleaning brush that is inside the package. So I did Cafe Bustelo, and it's looking really, really good. It's looking really, really good. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator real soon, and I gotta go out here and get some creamer. I don't have any creamer. I typically do 2 cups of coffee a day. It helps me to get through the day. I say like around 11 o'clock, I'm starting to. When you have an office job, you start getting a little lazy. It's the truth. So I do my 2 cups a day, and I love Cafe Bustelo, and I stay away from sugar as much as I can. I do stevia. I love stevia. Stevia is an all natural sweetener that comes from a tree bark. It is an acquired taste. Some people may not like it. I like it. I say that if you can do sweet and low, which is poison to me, you might as well do stevia, which is all natural. So that's about it. Once I crack this open tomorrow, I'll let you know what it tastes like. But so far, I think I did a cup of Cafe Bustelo, and it's just getting darker and darker. Cafe Bustelo is really strong coffee. I like my coffee strong. I like espresso. It is an espresso based coffee. So I don't need any sugar, just rip. And then, man, you get that big caffeine rush, and it lasts you for a long time. And To me, Cafe Bustelo is good for pre-workout. I like to get that nice caffeine rush with the strong coffee. No weak coffee for me. No, 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 no.